Building wealth through a YouTube channel is achievable but requires dedication, strategy, and consistency. Here's a step-by-step guide. Choose a profitable niche. Focus on topics that balance your passion with audience demand. High-demand niches, tech reviews, finance, education, gaming, health and fitness, or tutorials. Evergreen content. Topics that remain relevant over time like how-to guides or personal development. Trending topics. Stay updated on what's popular like AI, eco-friendly tech, or minimalist lifestyles. Build quality content. Focus on value. Solve problems, entertain, or inspire your audience. High-quality production. Invest in good audio, lighting, and editing software to enhance your videos. Engage creatively. Use hooks, visual storytelling, and clear call to actions like asking viewers to subscribe. Grow your audience. Consistency. Upload regularly to build momentum. SEO optimization. Use targeted keywords in your title, description, and tags to rank in search results. Collaborate, partner with other creators to share audiences. Engage, respond to comments, and connect with viewers on other platforms like Instagram and Twitter. Monetize your channel. Once eligible for monetization, which means having 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, explore these options. Ads, revenue, join the YouTube Partner Program to earn through ads. Affiliate marketing, promote products and earn commissions. Sponsored content, partner with brands for paid promotions. Merchandise, sell branded items like t-shirts, mugs, and so on to your audience. Courses and services, offer tutorials, workshops, or consulting services based on your niche. Diversify income streams, memberships. Offer exclusive content through YouTube memberships. Crowdfunding platforms like Patreon can support ongoing income. Licensing content. Sell your videos to media outlets or use them in stock footage libraries. Reinvent and expand. Leverage analytics. Track which videos perform best and double down on similar content. Explore new platforms. Build presence on TikTok, Instagram, and your own blog to expand your reach. Create scalable content. Repurpose content into books, podcasts, or other media formats. Key success tips. Be patient. Success on YouTube takes time. Keep experimenting and improving your content. Stay authentic. Audiences resonate with genuine creators. With consistency, your YouTube channel can evolve into a long-term income source and even a full-fledged business.